Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix missing video or photo on your iPhone. You want to follow these steps to recover your video. So let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is go into your setting and then tap on your Apple ID. And from here on, we're going to click on iCloud. And then where it says Save to iCloud, we're going to ensure that iCloud Photos is first of all turned on because your photo or the video that you're missing might be in iCloud and might have not synced. So you want to turn that setting on. Now, once you have turned that setting on, it's time to go into the actual Photos app itself. And once you go to Photos app, you're going to go all the way down to the very bottom where it says Customize and Reorder. We're going to tap on that. And we're going to go ahead and ensure that all of these are selected here so that everything is available on your Photos app. And then we're going to close that out. And from here on, we're going to see there's a media type section. We're going to click on video. And from here on, you can look through your video to see if you can find the video that you are missing. Now, if you can't find the video there is another option you can do is you can also search for your video. So using that search option here, if you happen to know maybe the name of the video that you saved it under, the date, even the location that you recorded, you can potentially find it using the search feature for your library. So that's another thing you want to do as well. Now, if you still can't find it, another place you guys want to take a look at is different sections here. So you'll see here different albums get created like memories, trip, featured, even any of these sections. Sometimes even if you have recently put it in another folder or album here, you can look through each of the album to see if you can find it. And even after that, you also see a recently deleted. You want to tap on that. Go ahead and enter your phone's passcode. See if you didn't accidentally delete the video and it's in the deleted folder that could be there as well. Now, let's say you did all of this and you still can't find it. The next thing you want to do is go into your setting, back to your main settings, and then you can click on your Apple ID here. Click on iCloud. And then you want to take a look at how much iCloud storage that you have. If you filled up your storage, your data might not be syncing. So what you want to do is delete some stuff that's on the iCloud that you don't need so that the syncing can happen. For example, Messenger here, if I have data that I don't need, I can go ahead and delete that as well and then permanently delete that data. So that could free up some storage, and then you'll look through each of them, and that will help to ensure that your device is syncing. And another thing you can also do is if you're using any other apps to back up your videos, such as Google Photos, you may be able to find your video in Google Photos. If you deleted it or it didn't sync or from another device, check in Google Photos. You can search for it, go through each of the album and see if you can find your video. Other apps might include maybe Dropbox or Google Drive that you might be syncing, or any other third-party apps. You want to look through it as well. Even if it maybe was sent from a video like WhatsApp or Messenger, you can open it up and see if you can find it there as well. And the last thing to do is a simple restart. You can pull down the menu from the top here, click on that power icon here. So we're going to click on the power icon, slide to power off, or you can also just hold the volume up and the side button just like this, and then slide to power off. And then to turn it back on, just hold on to the side button or plug it in. And a simple restart helps to ensure that all of your data is there and there's no glitch on the actual phone. And I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.